The sun would set so high, ring through my ears and sting my eyes. The Spanish lullaby. La 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 la. Sexbomb girls, Rochelle and Jopay. Thank you very, very much. And of course, speed dancers. Thank you. Take a bow again, girls. Diyan lang po kayo dahil sa aking pagbabalik, ang longest running #1 hit song ni Madonna sa Amerika. Abangan nyo yan. Ayan na.